So what's a cap rate? Hey guys, Brenton here. Yeah, I know it's kind of weird. I'm in my barn today, but I'm actually getting ready to hay my fields. But I want to dive in and let's talk about a cap rate. But before I do, hit subscribe, like my video, I really appreciate it. So a cap rate, what the heck is a cap rate? Why do we always hear investors talking about, oh, this cap, that cap? Cap rate, capitalization rate. What is it? Real simple, guys. It's a real estate valuation measure tool that we use to gauge investments against each other. But let's dive in. How do we get a cap rate? Well, it's real simple. So we're going to take our NOI, our net operating income, against the proposed purchase price. Okay, so what is our net operating income? Well, let's dive in that a little bit so we're all on the same page. NOI, net operating income. So it's going to take our scheduled gross annual income, so whatever rents or other income that we're going to get in, and we're going to subtract our expenses from that. Expenses like taxes, insurance, maintenance, vacancy, repairs, reserves, management, those sort of things. Now, one thing we're not going to subtract is our mortgage. Okay, so these are all of our expenses before our mortgage. So our NOI divided by our purchase price, that's going to give us a percentage. That percentage is what's referred to as our cap rate. So now a cap rate, you can also look at it this way. If I have a $500,000 property and it's selling for a 6 cap, if I pay all cash for the property, I can expect over the next 12 months a 6% return on my money. So now we can also use a cap rate to kind of find the value of our property if we're looking to sell. So, but if we're going to use that as an indicator, if we're going to sell, what we want to do is probably modify our expenses from a buyer's point of view. Are we going to have to modify our expenses in any way? Do we currently not pay for management, but a new buyer will? That's a pretty common one. The other one is property taxes as well. We want to make sure we're using the right rate on the property taxes. So if that sells, we're using the right expense for our property taxes, because this is going to have a big impact possibly on our purchase price or proposed sales price. So remember, the lower the cap rate, the higher the price. The higher the cap rate, the lower the price. And we're going to use a cap rate to kind of as an indicator, just one of several, to see if this is a good investment for ourselves. All right, guys. Well, I hope this video has been helpful. I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm going to go hay some fields, so catch you guys on the next one.